How to enable dark mode on YouTube. You can turn it on both on desktop and on the mobile app. It's very easy on desktop, but on the YouTube app, it's a bit hidden, so I made this guide to walk you through both. First, on desktop, go to youtube.com and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. You'll see the Appearance option there. By default, it's usually set to light mode. From this menu, you can switch to dark mode, light mode, or choose Use Device Theme. I recommend selecting dark mode directly here so it doesn't affect other apps on your computer. Now, on the mobile app, tap your profile picture, then go to Settings. From there, select General. You'll find the Dark Theme option with a simple toggle. Turn it on to enable dark mode, or off to switch back to light mode. The change saves automatically, so there's no need to tap a Save button. Just exit and start using YouTube. I hope this helped. Kindly like the video, subscribe, also press the bell for future updates. Thanks for watching.